Good afternoon. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. And if you're new to the channel, please hit the notification bell. And guess what we got ourselves for 2023? Well, as you may look over here, we got ourselves a new laptop. So let's get right to it. All right, so we got ourselves a new laptop. And guess what it is? It's the new MacBook Air. And it's the latest and the greatest. Let me tell you a little bit about the specs here. So, this is the M2 MacBook Air. It comes with 16 gigabytes of unified memory, 1 terabyte SSD, 2 Thunderbolt ports, Liquid Retina display, and I also got the Pro Apps edition. I decided to get myself a new MacBook Air because it's time to upgrade. And everybody's upgrading to Mac, so I want to know what the fuss is about. All right, so let's do an unboxing. Okay. Put this over here. I grabbed a couple things with it. I grabbed myself some a mouse because I like using an external mouse rather than using the touchpad. So this MacBook Air right here. You know what? I decided not to get the Pro. This is because this is my first Mac. So I've had iPads in the past, but I've never bought a laptop that was Apple or a desktop that was Apple. Never in my life. So this is the first time. You know, there's always a first for everything. So let's get this unboxing done. You know, Apple makes high premium products. Let's tear. Oh, that's really nice, soothing. Okay. Now that it's ready to be open, let's get all the stuff in here, take it all out. So I got my little Logitech mouse over here. Let's put this down over here. And yeah, I've been a Windows user for like about 20 years, and this is my first time experiencing what the Mac life is all about. And let me know, how many of you guys are you in the Apple ecosystem, or are you still using Windows? I find Windows to be very easy to use, but you know what? I just can't stand downloading stuff with viruses, and it's really hard to trust Windows nowadays. And I've heard that Apple is the way to go. Okay, so far so good. Let's open up the box here. Okay, so let's lay this down right here. Okay, so we got our MacBook. So let's see what's inside of this MacBook. Okay, it's opening. Oh, I like that. I do like that. I opted to get the space gray because I heard that the blue pretty much is a smudge magnet, and you know, I have a space gray iPad, so might as well keep the color scheme going. And let's take a look. So far, I would definitely say that it does look good. I like how they've packaged it. There's no room for anything else. They just really tightly packaged. And yeah. Okay. So here's the laptop here. All right, so build quality, I would definitely say it gets no better. Oh, yes. Yes, the build quality. Really, really nice spec. Okay. Let's put that down for a second. Let's see what it comes with. Okay, so it comes with a really nice charging cord, and this is the MagSafe charging cord. And it comes with Apple Book to let you know the instructions. Also, it comes with, so I ordered the 65 watt brick. Instead of having a dual channel charger, I opted to get the more power, which would obviously charge the laptop a little bit more faster than normal. So yeah, so it looks like it only comes with the charger, the cable. So nothing really much else besides that. It's I like how the packaging is very minimalistic, and I think it does come with a 1-year warranty. And if I don't like this, I can still return this back, but I love it. And Apple makes one of the best products. So there's my mouse right there. Now let's take a look at the actual laptop itself. So the actual laptop itself, really nice. Oh, really high quality there. I do like that. You know, this year they've opted to go through the sharp edges, which is a more updated design, more sleek. You know, the reason why I bought this is because I wanted to. Oh, there you go. It makes a noise there, and it turns right on. So. I like it so far. It's an excellent product. I think that if any of you are thinking about upgrading right now, this is where to go. MacBook is Apple they're a great company, and so I'm gonna get familiar with this product, and I'll let you know how it goes. This was just a short unboxing video to let you know what I got myself for this year. And it was a 2023 MacBook Air. And yeah. So I'm gonna go to the tutorial and I'm gonna use it and let you guys know how it is. So that's my own little bit of unboxing video. Wish I could provide more content, but since this is my first time using a MacBook, I'm not gonna bother making a video on something I don't know nothing about. So just an unboxing video, and the quality is great. Highly recommend it. Good bang for the buck, and excellent laptop. All right, thank you. Hey, would you like to win a Tesla Model 3? All you have to do is like, share, comment, and subscribe. And one lucky subscriber will win a Tesla Model 3.